Hi friends, my name is Dr. Kapil Kumar Sharma. I am working as a founder and director of Gastronoma. I am also working as a head and director of gastroenterology at Batra Hospital, New Delhi. Today I will take you through a smart tour of Gastronoma, which is located at Artus Clinicare. Here you can see it is located in very prime location in South Delhi, and here you can see the entrance. Patient can book an appointment through app, and once the QR code generated, he can show the QR code and easily can escape through these gate. Now here you can see there ample space of parking over here, no issue of parking, and patient can park our car here and then come to us. Here you can see we have defined the areas. On 0 you can see parking at tech zone, ground there pharmacy, and on the first floor there is a consultation room, and the second floor there consultation room and endoscopy room. Now we are on the first floor. Here you can see once we enter in the first floor, after the lift you can see this is help desk, and here is Adnan to help you out, and he is always ready to answer your query. And this is the one area. Here you can see this is we call as a vitals room as well as counseling room. Here first we will take a patient vital. This is for weight monitoring, this is for height, and this is for pulse rate, and this is for blood pressure. And before we are performing any kind of procedure like endoscopic procedure and manometry, then we discuss the pros and cons of the procedure with patient over here, and our sister explain them what is the need, what is the indication, what are the side effects, and how it will affect the outcome of the disease. And once the discussion over, if patient agree and then he consent for the procedure, then we go to the second floor where our endoscopic suite is located. Go to our endoscopy room, which is located on the second floor. Now this is our consultation room. Here we can have a consultation with the patient who come to us, and we can show you the how ambience our consultation room is. Here you can see very nice ambience of our consultation room, and this is for our patient and their relative is there. And what we have do differently, we have not kept any table between us and patient, because what we think is basically one kind of discussion that we are going, and we will try to make a good outcome after discussing pros and cons of disease and its treatment. And this is the couch for the patient for examination, and you can see the good vibes over there. And this is our consultation room. Here we will discuss with the patient regarding their symptoms, their treatment, their management. Now I will take you through the endoscopy room. Our endoscopic equipment with the high definition SD endoscope. You can see this machine, and you can see the very nicely looking trolley, and this machine has a lamp which generate the light, which act as a light source, and this is the image processor, and once the image form, it is projected on the monitor. Here I will show the quality of image what we acquire from this machine. Here you can see, observe very tiny thing you can pick up by this endoscopy machine, and we can rule out problem of digestive tract like peptic ulcer, malignancy, and any kind of problem we can detect, and we can offer a treatment. Along with this machine, it is at a facility of a water jet. This machine had an auxiliary channel. We can irrigate from endoscope, simultaneously performing the procedure and to wipe out the debris. And
endoscopic varicose ligation, we have facility of stricture dilatation, we have facility of polypectomy, and we can do band ligation for hemorrhoids, and these facilities are available at our center. You can see the high HD quality endoscope with us. Now another main important feature of our endoscopic unit, you can see this machine. This is one of the latest machine in the endoscopy. This is the manometry machine. Here you can choose the water perfused manometry machine, and this machine has a 24 channel. You can see from P1 to P24 there are 24 channel manometry, and from these channel the water irrigated. This is the water perfusion base manometry, and this is the two probe. One is the anorectal probe, another is the oral probe. And what are the indication of doing this manometry? And this, the patient was suffering from difficulty in the swallowing, and patient was suffering from the reflux problem, patient was suffering from chronic constipation, defecative disorder. These are the indication to perform this manometry. This is the one of the latest modality lab in the South Delhi, and apart from endoscopy, we also offer a manometry which aid in our diagnosis and give a clear-cut image of the disorder and tailor our approach to treat the patient.
Now we will show you how to perform an endoscope. And now we will show you how to perform an endoscopy, how our patient underwent, after explaining them the right indication and the side effect, and then we take a consent from them, and then we start endoscopy. Endoscopic procedure is very less time consuming procedure. It's hardly take a minute or two, and here we introduce this flexible tube through oral cavity into the mouth. That I will show you now. Our endoscope. Now you can see. Now you can see we are over the tongue, and we are in our mouth cavity. Here you can see through the pyriform fossa we enter into the esophagus. Here you can see the inner lining of esophagus. How beautiful image is there. You can nicely see that we are performing endoscopy, and you can see the very clear image of esophagus, and you can see the small hiatus hernia over there. You can nicely see the stomach mucosa, and very good quality of image. You can see nicely see very good quality of image. You can see. Yes.